All right. Baby, listen, they playing our song. You wanna slow dance with me? Come on. You can just say no. You ain't gotta be a douche about it. I was just a kid, she was just a kid. Lost in the mix, it didn't matter what we did. She used to baby me, I was her baby doll. I used to chase her around, she was my basketball. I guess it had to fall, I should've known, no model to follow. We were both from broken homes, but we used to laugh about acting grown up. And I could hear her mom in the back yelling, hang the phone up. A teenage love, keep up the crush, show 'em what it means to us. It's okay, girl, we don't even need to fuck. I was the first one to show her what a penis was. We used to sit on the park bench and hold hands, staying out past dark to feel the romance. Summertime, I was waking up early, bounce out the flat, little worm, get the birdie. Walk to a house and watch a couple movies, kissing on her nipples, playing with the coochie. Whew, that's as far as it ever got. Pet the spot, get her all wet and hot, and then it stops. Frustration. Soon after that, she broke up with me like boom, it's a wrap. She said that we were moving too fast, no seducing the ass, she needed room to relax. But hold up now, I don't understand. All I really wanted was to be your lover, man. We can wait, no pressure, I'll be patient. She said stop calling me, I'm taking a vacation. So there it was, decorated with the wordplay. I'm at school and I'm trying to hide my hurt face. She started seeing others, but it got worse. Wait, she let my homeboy hit it on the first date. Sorry, dude. Damn. Makes me wanna sing. I wanna sing. Come on. I don't miss you, but I remember you. You taught a lesson, and for that I give you gratitude. I'm such a mess with love and sex, but I don't fuck around with my best friend's ex. No, I don't miss you, but I remember you. You taught a lesson, and for that I give you gratitude. I'm such a mess with love and sex, but I don't fuck around with my best friend's ex. Nuh-uh, I don't miss you, but I remember you. You taught a lesson, and for that I give you gratitude. I'm such a mess with love and sex, but I don't fuck around with my best friend's ex.